Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show with you how to find Novo Banco Portugal's Swift code. So guys, follow me on this video and copy this keyword Novo Banco and go to Wise Swift codes, just like this website. From here guys, select your country of this bank. For example, this country Portugal. Just write Portugal from here. As you can see here guys, P Portugal. I'm Portuguese here, and from here select your bank, this bank as you can see here. From here click just find Swift code. This is the Swift code guys for this bank, and you can copy from here option and you will to use for any option. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comments and I will answer your question as soon as possible.